And of them, a total of 40% are what's called obese. That means with a BMI of greater than 30. What's happened? Human nature hasn't changed. We're the same people that we were 50 years ago, 60 years ago. I'll tell you what's changed. The USDA came out with something called the food pyramid, the infamous food pyramid, which said that at the base, we should have carbohydrates up to 11 servings per day of carbohydrates. And it took things like meats and fats and put them at the very apex of that triangle and said we should moderate them or eliminate them, we don't need them. That's completely wrong, because the brain is made mostly, the myelin sheaths that do the connecting material, of cholesterol. We need cholesterol in our diet. We need these fats in our diet. Yet the USDA has eliminated them. Also, there was a study, an infamous study done by Dr. Ansel Keys called the famous 7 countries study, in which he looked at 7 countries and found 6 of them that had lower incidence of heart rate disease, heart attack diseases than the United States, and said, oh, what accounts for that is we eat a lot of meat here, they don't eat a lot of meat in those countries. But what he didn't tell you was that he actually studied 22 different countries, and of those other countries that were not part of the 7 nation study, he eliminated them from the diet because they didn't fit his paradigm. And then it turns out, we see that he was actually paid money to come out with that particular study and get those results. Now, why am I here today in a tank top t-shirt? To show you that I've been able to lose weight and gain muscle. And that's a key to having